Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You can find the bulk air conditioning compressor used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and in the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Before changing your air conditioning compressor, we recommend seeing a specialist who can empty the environmentally hazardous gases and liquids from the air conditioning system. After you finish replacing the air conditioning compressor, you can go back there to recharge the system. Unscrew the wheel nuts, lift the front of the car, and place it on the stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, racing your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You will then be able to take off the wheel. Don't forget to slide it under the vehicle. For safety reasons, we recommend unplugging the battery. To do this, we recommend watching the video How to Replace the Car Battery on a Golf 6 1.6 TDI. Remove the crankcase. You will now need to remove the lower mudguard. Using a Torx T25 screwdriver, remove the 7 screws holding the mudguard. And remove it. For this operation, you have to remove the accessory belt. To do this, we recommend you watch our video How to Replace the Drive Belt on a Golf 6, 1.6 or 2.0 TDI. To access the various components of the air conditioning compressor, you must remove the intercooler hose. Using a ratchet and a Torx 7 socket, unscrew the 2 clamps, then remove the hose. Using a socket wrench, an extender and a T45 Torx socket, unscrew the retaining screw from the high-pressure outlet pipe. Use a magnet to help remove the screw. Then, move the pipe aside to make the following steps easier. Using the same tools, unscrew the screw holding the high-pressure inlet pipe. Remove the screw, then move the pipe aside. Using a 13mm spanner, unscrew the air conditioning compressor's lower retaining screw. Then remove it. Next, using a small socket wrench and a 13mm socket, unscrew the air conditioning compressor upper retaining screw. It does not come out completely, so just pull it back into its slot. To reach the 3rd screw, remove the power connector. To do this, push the plastic tab using a flathead screwdriver and pull back on the terminal. Unscrew the 3rd screw using a small socket wrench, an extender and a 13mm socket. Then remove it. You can now extract the air conditioning compressor from its compartment.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Get the new compressor. Using a socket wrench and a 12mm socket, unscrew the oil draining screw plug from the air conditioning compressor. Depending on the compressor, it may come supplied with or without oil inside. Either way, we always recommend emptying it so you know how much oil you will be adding to the system. You have to find how much oil is required for your vehicle's air conditioning compressor bearing in mind that when replacing the compressor, there will still be oil in the system's various components: condenser, dryer, evaporator, and the different pipes. For this reason, you should put in the same amount of oil that remained in the old compressor. Or, depending on the case, add half of the recommended quantity to top up the oil remaining in the system. In our case, we added 50 milliliters, which was the amount of oil remaining in the old compressor. After adjusting the level, retighten the screw plug. Using a T45 Torx socket, unscrew the two new retaining screws from the high pressure outlet and low pressure inlet pipes. Remove the plastic covers. Get the new seals provided in the kit. Oil them and put them on the pipes using a thin flathead screwdriver. Take the new compressor and put it in the compartment. Remember to install the upper retaining screws first. Then retighten the 3 retaining screws. Reconnect the electrical connector. Put the low pressure outlet pipe back in place. Then retighten the retaining screw. Do the same with the high pressure inlet pipe. Put the hose back on the intercooler, then retighten the clamping clip. You can now put the drive belt in place. To do this, we recommend that you watch our video how to replace the drive belt on the Golf 6 1.6 or 2.0 TDI. Put the crankcase back in. Put the mudguard back in. Then screw it back on. Then you can put the wheel back on your vehicle and put it back on the ground. Reconnect the battery. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.